I'm making my pork belly and egg pancake, which is salty and chewy and crispy around the edges, and it's simply irresistible. To get started, I'm seasoning some pork belly with black pepper, and I'll nestle this into the pot of my pressure cooker. And for the liquid, I'll combine half a cup of water with 3/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, a cup of soy sauce, and then a couple of tablespoons of hoisin sauce. So this is my version of jidon bing, which is a popular Chinese street food breakfast, and it consists of a big doughy pancake where the egg is cooked right on top of it. I'll pour my liquid right over the pork belly, and then toss in a Fresno chili, which is spicy but not crazy, and some sliced ginger for that zing. And then I'll smash 3 cloves of garlic and toss them right in. I'll get this into my pressure cooker and cook on high for 30 minutes. And in that, hello to you too. In that time, the meat is gonna get so tender and infused with flavor. I'm smelling that pork belly. It's ready to come out. Let me first release the pressure. And once all the steam releases, that's when I can safely open up the pot. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna transfer the pork belly to a wire rack here so that any of the excess braising liquid can drip off. Okay, this is so tender. Look at that great color on it from the soy and the hoisin. All right, I'll get my pan heating. Nice and hot so it gets the pork really crispy. And while that preheats, I'll chop this up into little pieces. It'll be great to sprinkle on the pancake. Okay, my pork is chopped up. Now in my hot pan, I'll get a good drizzle of neutral oil. I'll add the pork belly. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle? Okay, I'll cook this on medium-high now for a few minutes, tossing very occasionally so I can develop that great texture. Okay, this is looking crispy. I'll get it out of my pan. I'll just set this aside now while I get going on my bing. Isn't that a cute word for pancake? My pancake dough is ready to roll out. It's super simple. It's just flour, salt, a little toasted sesame oil for flavor, and hot water. I'll start by dusting my counter with a little bit of flour. I use my rolling pin to roll it out into roughly a 12-inch circle. My pan is cranked to a medium-high. I'll add a good drizzle of oil. Oil is what's really gonna make that pancake crisp and good. I'll get an egg. This is my favorite part about it. It's so efficient. I'm gonna crack the egg right on top of the pancake, and it's gonna cook there too. I'm going to use a spoon to break the yolk and scramble it a little bit with the egg white. I'll sprinkle on some scallion greens, that great pop of freshness and flavor, and some of my crispy pork. And even though this pork is quite salty, I do want to make sure to season the egg, so I'll sprinkle on some salt and pepper. I'll give this a press so the fillings stick on. Okay, I'm seeing some great color on the bottom of my pancake. I'm gonna give this a flip, and it only needs about 20-30 seconds more. Here I go. I'll flip it back over now to make it easier to slide out of the pan. I'll slide this back onto my cutting board. Oh, look at that. Sauce time. I'll do just a little bit of mayo for creaminess and sambal for hotness. Roll it up. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at those crispy edges. Cut it in half. That's big and beautiful. I can't not. It's spicy, it's salty, it's sweet. That should be illegal.